Okay, who is reading a magazine on an airplane? Well, I do, and you can find very interesting topics to read. This time it was about London, where I am heading to. That's where I stumbled upon this photo, which I decided to paint. While I paint this charming door inspired by a magazine photo, I want to talk about something really important: finding inspiration anywhere, practicing observation with freehand drawing, and spending quality time with yourself, even on board of an airplane. Sometimes we think we need the perfect conditions to create a big, bright studio, hours of uninterrupted time, the right mood. But the truth is, inspiration doesn't wait for us to be ready. It's everywhere. In the pages of a magazine, in the way light hits a window, in the textures of an old wooden door. The more we train ourselves to notice these little details, the more we realize that creativity isn't about having the perfect setup. It's about seeing the beauty in the ordinary. Having this momentum with the magazine inspiration also gives me time to observe unusual reference and practice freehand drawing. No rules, no tracing, just me observing and sketching what I see. It forces me to slow down and really look at the details. The uneven lines, the imperfections, makes it perfectly great. Traveling can feel so busy and rushed, but it can also be an opportunity to slow down. Instead of scrolling on phone or watching a movie, we get to spend this time creating something. There's something really peaceful about it, just letting the world fade away for a moment and getting lost in the process of painting. I think we all need more moments like this, more time to be with ourselves, to practice something we love, to create just for the joy of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be planned, it just has to be enjoyed. So next time you're traveling or even just sitting in a cafe, take a moment to look around. What details catch your eye? What shapes, colors, or textures inspire you? Maybe even pull out a sketchbook and let yourself create, just for fun, just for you. Two hours pass so quickly, but yet meaningful for my creative soul. Let me know in the comments where do you find unexpected inspiration, and if you enjoyed this little creative moment with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more watercolors and adventures. See you in the next video.